What up, everybody? I'm Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com, and that is 2023-24 Panini Prizm Basketball International Edition. One box, random team break number 6. All card ship. We're looking for those international exclusive wave parallels. Big thanks to this group for making it happen. All basketball teams are in. There's everybody in that new list right there. Let's roll it. Let's randomize it. 1 and a 6, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Joe Jasper can be a tyrant from what you've heard? Who said that? I'll be sure to make sure they're fired for saying something like that. Make sure they're kicked out of the kingdom forever. 1 and a 6, 7 times. Names and teams. 1 and a 6, 7 times for the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Got OKC down to the Lakers. All right, Nick Smith, Thunder and Blazers. Dan with the Grizzlies, Brian with the Kings, Nick with the Jazz, Rex with the Nuggets, Shay with the Magic, Brian with the Raptors, Dan with the Mavs, Nick with the Cavs, Shay with the Golden State Warriors, Glenn with the Knicks, Nick with the Bucks, Brian K with the Timberwolves and Heat, Glenn with the Clippers, Brian with the Spurs, Kevin with the Hawks, Nick with the Rockets, Brian with the Wizards and Suns, Nick with the Pelicans, Rex with the Pistons, Nick with the Pacers and Celtics, Brian with the Sixers and Nets, Glenn with the Hornets, Nick with the Bulls, and Brian, you have my Lakers. And let's alphabetize by team. We're going to pause the video for a little bit. When we come back, we're going to see if there's any trades. Then we'll have the one box break. So stick around. Be right back. All right, welcome back, everybody. TWC trade window closed. Look at that. Look at Rex trying to make trades after the trade window is closed. Sorry, Rex. TWC, trade window closed. All right. There's the official printout right here. Hot off the presses. Thanks, everyone, for getting in. And good luck. Let's see what we got. Hey, you guys. We got Panini International. Good luck. The chat clearly says TWC, and then you trying to make trades afterwards, Rex. Stop trying to blame the delay. Don't need to see a screenshot, Rex. I see it in the chat right here. I can't trust your faulty equipment. If only your end mattered, Rex. No, the Jaspy end matters. Otherwise, it would just be chaos. We're just going by other people's streams. All right, good luck, everybody. We want to see these exclusives, but with some of the top tier rookies here. And there's DeAndre Hunter. 5 out of 38. That's going to be for Atlanta. That's going to be for Kevin. We want to see stuff like this with the top tier rookies. See, Rex is talking about delays, and he's trying to make timing jokes like that's what she said. I don't even know what I said to have that even happen. Of course, comedy is about timing. And we know that is Rex's strong suit. Michael Porter Jr. 65 out of 88. That's going to be for Denver. It's for Rex. And Jalen Wilson. Nets, Blue Wave, rookie. That'll be for Brian K. and Brooklyn. All right, behind Jason Williams is Luka Doncic. Dan with Dallas. And we got an autograph. Mohamed Gouye for Atlanta. That's going to be for Kevin. We don't get too many autographs out of the international. Toppler not worthy of Gouye. There we go. It's better. Anthony Edwards. We got DeJounte Murray. Jaime Jaquez, rookie. And Anthony Black, rookie for Orlando. That's for Shea and the Magic. Blue Wave is exclusive to these international boxes. Here's Jaime Jaquez, just a regular base. It's going to go to Brian and the Heat. All right, what else do we have here? There's LeBron, there's Jose Alvarado. Got Shaq, Rui Hachimura, and Rudy Gobert at the end. So we got an auto, no Wembies or anything like that. Wish we got some bigger rookie names out of here in these exclusives. But listen, these breaks are only $10 a spot. Let's keep getting into them. And let's try to find some of these big international wave parallels. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com, and I'll see you next time for the next one. Bye-bye.